issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Johnson County in north-central Texas, southeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, southwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 7:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:16 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Godley, or 11 miles west of Joshua, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Burleson, Cleburne, Keene, Joshua, Godley, Crescent, and Benrock Lake. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 49, effective until noon Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hood, Johnson, Parker, and Tarrant. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dallas County in north-central Texas until 8:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:22 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lancaster, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Dallas, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Bulk Springs, Cedar Hill, Glen Heights, Hutchins, Cockrell Hill, Sunnyvale, Wilmer, Ovilla, Ferris, Combine, Cedar Hill State Park, Joe Pro Lake, and Sand Branch. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 412 and 425. Interstate 20 between mile markers 454 and 485. Interstate 45 between mile markers 267 and 282. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.